Good day sa inyong lahat, students. So this time we will start working on the isometric. Okay, isometric drawing tayo using this AutoCAD. Basic lang tayo, no? We can use this toolbar, di kaya by keyboard, ha? So anong gagawin natin first? So we have to go to view, no, just to change the position of our UCS. So punta tayo dito sa view, then kita nyo yan, yung arrow na yan, navigational. Punta tayo sa wait ha, view tayo, view. Dito tayo sa view manager. Ayan, unsight view. Punta tayo sa southeast o SE isometric. So we have to pick this. Then makikita nyo yung pagbabago ng ating UCS, yung ating coordinate system. Then punta tayo dito para doon sa grid, kung gusto nyo ilagay yung grid. Pick nyo yan. Then yan, makikita nyo, no, nagbago yung ating grid into 3 dimension. Okay? Make sure pindutin ang F8 na kailangan diretso yung inyong gawa, no? Check natin mamaya. Then go back to home. Go back to home. Then what's next? Let us start working. Okay? First is line. It should be here. You can use the toolbar. It can be or in keyboard. So sabi dyan sa line specify first point, you have to pick anywhere. Saka na tayo maggamit ng coordinate, ano? Then as you can observe, malaya siyang gumagalaw. All we have to do is to press F8. Ayan, just to clear it. Okay, escape muna pala tayo. Let us check the unit. Check ang unit. UN, type UN, enter. Ayan. So makikita natin unit, nag-enter na tayo. Okay, nasa millimeter siya, then okay natin. So again, we have to draw again line, then we have to pick here. Pick. Naka F8 na siya, or ortho on. So sample, gawa tayo ng sabihin na natin 10. 10, enter. Line natin, ano? Ayan siya. So zoom out na lang natin para mas klaro makita natin. Isometric. The next is here. Okay? Ayan. Pwede rito. 10 again. 10. Enter. Ayan siya. The next. Down. 10. Enter. Then again. Here. Let us make this 10 then. 10. 10. Enter. Try it here. 10. Enter. Okay. Enter. 10. Ayan. Then again, here. 10. Enter. So, nilalagyan na natin siya ng value, ha. 10. Enter. Okay. Right click. Enter. Right click. Repeat line. So, let us span first. Then, right click. Ayan na uli siya, no? Automatic, gagawa na kayo ng line. Pero, escape natin, hindi kayo dyan gagawa. Dito muna. It can be here, pick, endpoint, pick, endpoint, pick. Then, enter. Right click, repeat line. Okay? Then, pick here. Then, 10, enter. 10 uli, enter. 10 uli, enter. Then 10 or endpoint. 10, enter. Right click, enter. Right click, repeat line. Ayan siya. Then next, pick here. Ayan siya. Pick. 10, enter. 10, enter. 10, enter. Right click again, then enter. Okay? Right click, repeat line, pick here, then 10, enter, 10, enter. Ayan na siya, no? Then, where's it? 10, enter. Ayan. Then, right click or escape or enter. You can do it. Then, next, we have to add another 10. Repeat line. Okay, repeat line tayo. Then, pick here. Then, add 10. Enter. Here, ano? Here. We have to wait here, no? Okay, then enter. Then right click, repeat line, pick here tayo ng 10, enter. Then next is 10 tayo, 10, enter. Then pindutin natin ang F8. Auto on off natin. Pick natin here sa reference line natin. Pick, right click, enter. Right click, repeat line, endpoint. Then connect here, endpoint again. So right click, enter. Right click, repeat line. So we have to create line here. Okay ha, kita nyo, maglalabas siya ng midpoint. Zoom out natin. Okay. Automatic yan. Pag nilagay nyo rito, midpoint, pick nyo lang. Pick, then enter. Okay. What's next? So, escape or enter. Then draw again line. Escape or enter. Right click, repeat line. Then draw line here. For F8 nyo ulit. Ortho on. Okay. Ayan siya. Draw 10. Enter. Then connect here. F8 ortho off ulit. Or it can be here. So 10 muna kayo dito. Then enter. Then after that, ortho off ulit. Then connect. Pick. Then enter or right click. Right click. Repeat line. Pick here. Then pick the endpoint. Right click. Enter. So as you can observe, we had created blocks. Ayan siya na. Okay? Nakapag-create tayo ng blocks using 3-dimensional o 3D view siya. So erase natin to ha. So we have to use erase or this toolbar. Ayan, ayan. Pick natin. Then after that, we have to pick here. Pick, enter. Okay? If you want this to remove, repeat line or repeat erase ulit. Pick, let us erase this. Enter. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng kulay, punta tayo dito sa gradient. Pick, gradient. Pag na-pick nyo yan, ayan ang lalabas. Yan, so, pipili kayo dyan, pick nyo lang yung arrow, paano sistema gusto nyo. Ito, ayan, o ayan. Okay? O, I mean, this one, o this one, bahala kayo, pick. Then, go here. Doon sa blue, pipili kayo ng kulay. If you want red, then pick nyo yung red. Magbabago siya, ayun. So, background niya, ganun din. Then, sabi niya, dito sa ating command text window, pick internal point or select object. O, pick kayo dito, pick. So, try nyo lang, pick yung mga surface na magkukulay. Ayan. Okay. So, yan ang paggamit ng gradient. Okay? So, pag pinik nyo lang siya or other, ayan. So, explore lang natin the following activities. It should be displayed on your board. So, that's it for a simple demonstration of 3D or the isometric drawing. Isoplane lang muna tayo guys ha.